In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping address on Alibaba. First, open your browser, go to alibaba.com and log into your account. Make sure you're signing in with the account you actually use for purchases, so the address is available at checkout. If you're already logged in, you're all set. Next, look for the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click it, then choose Account Settings. This is where Alibaba keeps all your personal and order-related preferences, including your addresses. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Shipping Address or sometimes Address Book, depending on your interface. Both take you to the same place, a list of addresses saved on your account. If you haven't added one before, the list will be empty. If you've used Alibaba previously, you might see existing entries here. Click Add New Address. This opens a form where you'll enter the details for where you want your orders delivered. Take your time with this part. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it should appear on shipping labels. If you're shipping to a business, include the company name as it can help couriers identify the destination. Add the street address line by line, and be sure to include apartment, suite, or building numbers so nothing gets missed. Type the city, state, or province, and the exact postal or zip code. Select the correct country from the drop-down, and add a phone number that the courier can actually reach during delivery hours. If Alibaba requests it, include an email for delivery updates. Avoid special characters that might confuse carrier systems, and use the local language or standard Latin characters as required by your region. A quick tip: many couriers don't deliver to P.O. boxes, so it's best to provide a physical address. Also, make sure the postal code and city match. Even a small typo can delay your shipment. If your address autofills, double-check the details before moving on. Once everything looks accurate, click Save. You should see your new address appear in your address book right away. From now on, when you place an order, you can select this address during checkout without retyping anything. That's it. You've added a shipping address on Alibaba. Keeping your details complete and accurate helps suppliers ship faster and reduces delivery issues. If you move or need to ship to a different location later, come back to the same page to update or add additional addresses. Thanks for watching and happy sourcing!